the backyard doing some cleanup, and I noticed my David Austin rose is almost at the top of this arbor. OMG, I just got it this year. I'm telling you, don't let these David Austin rose show off be better than the rest of my roses, because I will take them out and put all David Austins in there. I have really been struggling with a lot of my roses, and this one is Gertrude Jekyll. Beautiful, beautiful pink rose. And look how tall it is. I've been staking it as it gets bigger, but my goodness, it's just continuing to show off. I love it. So I'm going to do some pruning on this puppy and stake it up a little bit more. Side is another pink rose. I will put the name on the screen. But yeah, I have a feeling by next year this will reach the top of this arbor. Oh my gosh, I had no idea it would be so soon. That David Austin rose is bad. You hear me? It is awesome. I am so impressed. Look what I found today at a thrift store. A matching pineapple pillow. This one has been sitting out all summer. As you can tell, it's faded with the sun, but I still love it. And this one is just gorgeous. This is how it looked in the beginning. So now I have a matching pair. $2 for that pineapple pillow to match the pineapple garden. I love when I find something like that. Love, love, love when that happens. If I had went looking for that, I would have never found it, but there it is. My crepe myrtle is still happy. I skirted her up, and now she's showing her beautiful legs. It looks fabulous still. It's still blooming, and I'm loving it in the pineapple garden. I transplanted some roses. These have been sitting in here for a while. I was surprised that they even bloomed. I believe this is John F. Kennedy. It's the only white rose I had. It's John F. Kennedy. And I have to find a spot for this one and this one. So I just took the heads off of those. And but other than that, it looks pretty healthy. So these are the roses that I was talking about. They are gorgeous. I don't know the name of these, but they are looking so pretty. I just love that color. It's just so striking, that pink color. But guys, you know what I am having a problem with is the foliage. I mean, I don't know what is eating this up, but it is eating it alive. Same here. I love roses, but I hate this part about roses. It seems like the bugs love them just as much as I do. So I'm gonna go over and check out the vegetable garden. I haven't been working so much. I haven't had a chance to really be out here and see what's going on. Wow, look at the beans. Look at the beans. Oh my, I need to remove this. Remove these little bells and let them enjoy themselves. You know, I put these down just so the critters won't be digging. But yeah, I'm impressed. Let's see if there's any beans to be found. Oh my goodness.
I have beans. I have never had beans before. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow.
Look at that. Now these are, I have a tag somewhere. This was a start. This was not something that I grew from seed. My first fall harvest of beans. Unbelievable. So, yeah. That's, like I said, I haven't been out here in a while. I need to put some water on these puppies. They're looking a little sad. And look at my Swiss chard. Doesn't it look nice? I need to bring that in, start eating on it before the critters. Now, I don't know what this is, guys. I don't know what this is, to be honest. Anybody have a clue? It doesn't even look like, it doesn't look like a vegetable. Looks like a flower. Over here, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not doing too good. I know I put black-seeded Simpson over here. And that does not look like black-seeded Simpson to me. So if you know what this is, let me know. If you know what this is, or you think you know what it is, let me know. Over there, that is blueberry bush. And yeah, I'm gonna get some water and put it on these. Spinach and Swiss chard. More black-seeded Simpson that's not doing anything. And let's see, on the cabbage is supposed to be right there. Salanova lettuce. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but yeah. I'm excited about the beans. Not a very large harvest, but a harvest it is. I'm so excited about the beans. Oh my goodness. I planted beans. This was a start, the Swiss chard. And I said I better get it in and start taking, you know, cut and come again type of cuts so that I won't look out and it's full of holes. This is probably the best time to get it. It looks like a very good piece. Can make that into a sandwich. So all right, this is my harvest. Very excited. Everything else is store-bought, so I'm going to go ahead and roast those. And these are all washed and ready for either salads or a wrap. I really enjoy Swiss chard as a wrap. I do a spread using chickpeas. Let me show you what it looks like. This is chickpeas. I puree it in a food processor, and then I use another can. I just mash with a fork. This is so delicious. You can put this on the Swiss chard and put some tomatoes. This is pickles in here. Veganese, it's like a mayo, but it's vegan. Raisins, some celery. It is so delicious. So yes, that is going on the Swiss chard for sure. This year my Eden roses have reached the top of this arbor, and that makes me very happy. This plant is finally giving up the flowers. They're still at the bottom there. I cut it back from the top. This is an awesome plant. Over here, this is the same plant. I just did not top it yet, but the flowers are pretty much gone on this one. And look what I see over here. This Copper King hibiscus. OMG, I finally got a picture of this. How pretty is that? I love the foliage, the burgundy color of the foliage, the stem, but that flower is amazing. Wow, that's all I can say. Do you see the silver lace vine on top of the fence? I think it's the prettiest thing ever. It is so pretty in the fall. It's even better on the other side. This is the back side. The front side is just gorgeous, I think. So my zinnias are still hanging in there. I think these are my favorite. These are Cabaret from Renee's Garden. It's a brand name, Renee's Garden seed packet. And this is one packet, guys. One single packet. And look at the fullness of these zinnias. I mean, one packet. Can you imagine 10, 11 packets? I wouldn't go that crazy. But look at that one down there. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now, I have in the past saved seeds from my zinnias, and if I were to do so, I would definitely do it with these, because this is my all-time favorite. These are the other ones that I did a video on, and I'm not loving them as much. Look at the legs on them. I just don't like that. Put them in the same time I put it in Cabaret. And look at, I just don't like the legs on that. Oh my gosh, it looks very bad. So yeah, I'm going to not get those again, but I will be getting the Cabaret. Look at the Cabaret in comparison. I don't know, it's something about the Cabaret. And I'm not sure if those came with them, with the pack. I think it did. I really like those as well. So yeah, this is on my list. Cabaret it is. They are a hit for me.